camera turns on, you do that fucking face. Okay, hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really, really well. Today, we've got Bender's favourite day. This is Bender. We have snack surprise. Yes, my hair is different, before anybody says anything. I had it done today, but yeah, I need something to open up, please. Snack surprise, if you don't know, and I apologise, we have 3 kittens. Here's one, here's Gary, and they're running around playing, so you'll be able to hear, they've got like little bing jingly balls and stuff, so as they come over I will introduce them. But Snack Surprise is a monthly food subscription box. They do a mini box, a original box and a premium box. This is the premium box. This is sent to me in PR, which is amazing. Before I got PR, I did purchase the box happily because it was amazing and we loved it. But Snack Surprise, send it in PR and they'll give me a discount code for you guys, which I'll put here or link down below. Yeah, Gary the Beast is mostly a cloud cat. So let's jump in. Let's see what, I've got no idea what the country is. I haven't seen any spoilers. Greece! Oh my god, I love Greek food. I'm so excited.
Yeah,
so give me that. So you get a little book every month and it tells you what's in it. You get some Greek facts. And then it will show you, this is what's in the mini box. This is what's in the original box. The original box is the mini box and the original box.
Have you got your beer?
Yeah.
Your
I
Greek
have actually.
beer.
I've got Greek beer. It's my favourite beer in the world. Imported Greek beer. This is just the best. And then the premium box is the first 2 boxes and then all of this as well. So, Gary, get out of the box. The first thing I've got, jumbo chips, oregano flavour.
And then the other boxes.
Yeah. Oh, I remember these. These are really good. Ben's not had any dinner yet, so I will be sampling things. He's probably just going to be inhaling it. They're really nice. Save some of them because the kids will like them. This is the original box and it says thin cut crispy potato chips covered in delicious oregano seasoning. Yummers.
Description is correct.
These are jumbo snacks and I don't know what these are, but they look like Monster Munch. I'll let Ben open them while I find them. Bloody cats. These are their cheese flavour. Jumbo fluffy crunchy rings with the cheese flavour. A great snack if you're hungry or want to watch a movie. So they look like Monster Munch.
I kind of want to watch a movie now. Average.
It's a very mild cheddar, isn't it? Like
Average.
a very fake cheese flavour. But yeah, they're alright. What's this?
Can't eat that, or can you?
Get off. Oh, there's a little note that says some items in the box are not in the box. In this, aren't in the box because they just weren't available, so they've been changed. Because of COVID, they've had lots and lots of issues with shipping. So next, we've got Spicy Crisps, Cuba. These look like bugles. So these are premium box. Cone-shaped corn snacks with a crunch and a kick. Sweet, spicy flavour.
That's a fucking cone.
Can I get in? Get my own fucking crisp? They're like squashed cones.
Yeah.
I absolutely love the texture of them. They're yummy, but they're not spicy. Are they? No.
Low flavour.
Really nice. Oh my god, that was a spider. It was Gary. This is the most chaotic video ever. Ah, pizza, Emmental.
Pronounced Emmental.
These are 7 days Pizzetti. I'll say that again while Ben doesn't make the loudest noise ever. 7 days Pizzetti. Super tasty, crunchy, double baked bread chips dusted with real Emmental cheese, tomato and olive flavouring.
Crunchy. Not much flavour. Good for Dunkin'.
Yeah, they'd be really nice for like hummus or something. I don't want a whole one. Yeah, like with hummus or a dip of some description, they would be delicious. Got nothing from the mini box yet. Oh, I've had this before. This is Elmer gum. Or, Elmer gum. Chewing gum, but it's the taste of mastica. And it is, I can't eat this. I really don't like it. You try it.
I'll have it at the end. If it's chewing gum, you'll savour it.
You will not savour it. You will spit it out. I really don't like the flavour of that at all. I've had it before. Put it on your lap and have that later then. We've got a drink, and this is a sour dark cherry. That sounds nice. This is original box. One of the most popular Greek soft drinks. Enjoy this refreshing drink in sour cherry. That sounds lovely. I did want your snot all over it. Thank you. No. Oh, it's nice. It's not very fizzy. It's nice.
Yeah.
I like cherry. That's very cherry-y. Cherry-y-y. Cherry-y-y. Cherry-y. I'm not going to open this.
Lots of jumbo stuff today.
Yeah, this is...
The jumbo shipment that arrived.
Looks like an apricot or a peach croissant. I'm not going to open this now because it's night time and we're not going to eat this now and it will go stale. But this is premium box, and this is a rich apricot filling. So it sounds nice. I'm just not going to eat it now because it is 8 o'clock at night. I've had these before as well. These are so yummy. These are like the like cigarellos, aren't they? Is that what they're called? So. Flaky roll wafers with cocoa and hazelnut. The perfect. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot about these. The packaging on these. Like impossible to get them out. Yeah. And then they're just
chocolates are gunners.
And they're yummy. The kids will like them. Milky Pops. This is another thing I'm not going to open now. I think it's like fudge. These are premium box milk toffee that melt in your mouth. So it's just a toffee, which is, we all love toffee. You can't go wrong with it. But if we start eating that now, we're going to be here for 3 weeks at least. Mini pick crackers. These are from the mini box. Tasty crisp barbecue flavour. It's a different colour. The barbecue one is red and this is yellow, so I think these aren't barbecue flavour.
Not very barbecue. Quite crunchy.
They taste like cheese. No, they taste like tuck biscuits.
Yeah.
They taste like a tuck biscuit. They're yummy.
Maybe you can
make a mini tuck biscuit.
Yeah. Maybe there's something in one of the other snacks and we can make a mini one.
Put a bit of chewing gum between it. They're really nice. Ari will love them. I think we're on to the sweet stuff now. Make your own burger. I've had these before. I don't know where I've had them before. But that is a burger. You can try them. I don't like the texture of them. They build your own mini like jelly burger sweets, and these are original box. We'll let Ben get into those. We've got a cake bar, a 7 days cake bar. This is a mini box. Soft, like melt in your mouth cake with a deliciously sweet cocoa filling topped with a drizzle of dark chocolate. I'm not going to eat this now, just because the kids will like it. I can see some at the bottom, isn't there? There's a bun. Look.
A double.
There you go. Mini burger. I'm scared for my life then. Right there. Oh, here's another cat in the box. This is Binksy cat. Binksy, say hi. Binksy cat. He's the biggest one. He is like 3 and a bit months old. And we've got some little biscuits. These are Miranda biscuits. These are traditional Greek biscuits that have a taste of childhood. Whatever that is.
Taste of children.
Yeah. It smells like, get your face out. It just wants to focus on your stupid face. Oh, they're nice and light and crumbly. They're yummy.
Yeah.
I like them. They're really nice.
Nothing.
Nope, I like them. They're good.
They wouldn't withstand much of a dunking.
Gary again. Derby caramel. Oh my god, I've had these before as well. These are so yummy. It's like if a toffee crisp and a Mars bar had a baby. You can open that.
I don't really fancy it right now.
A rich caramel
savoury.
filling. There isn't any more savoury. In the core,
Rubbish.
layered with crunchy puffed rice and then milk chocolate. That's the mini box. They are incredible.
I'll eat this instead.
Don't eat Gary. There's only one more cat to show you, but he's over there fighting a ball. We've got some nougat. I don't like this.
Nugget.
Or nugget, whatever you want to say. I don't like this. This is from the premium box, I think. Yeah. You don't eat this, do you? Peanut, apple and cinnamon.
Not that flavour.
Anything that we know we won't eat, we will put in the food bank because otherwise it's just wasteful. So we're not going to open that just to try it, to pull a horrible face. But we're not going to eat that. And then we've got.
You have to read it.
Yeah, you read it. Ion Amygdaloo. In the late 1940s, Ion produced the milk chocolate bar with almonds. That sounds amazing. Where's Bandit? Gary, get off my... Where is he? We've lost Bandit. We've lost the cat. I don't know where he is. Probably chasing a ball somewhere. Let's have a look at this.
Like a Wonka bar.
Yeah.
There's some big chunks.
Yeah. There's a lot of almonds in there. Focus on the chocolate and not on Ben's face, thank you. There you go. Yummy. I like that. Put that over there.
Any stuffed vine leaves in there?
No, there is not. We've got a wafer bar. This is from... Hold it. I can't work out where it's from.
Greece.
I know it's from fucking Greece, you twat.
Greece.
This is the original box. The most popular Greek wafer. Layers of crunchy wafer and rich cocoa cream. I always say, in the UK, we are lacking in the wafer chocolate department. Other than a Time Out. And in Europe, they just do it so well and they're always yummy.
Is there a G-Ross in there?
There is not a G-Ross in there.
She's lucky.
And Steen says the Greek restaurant in the city is shit. So, yeah. Right. We've got some little sweets. From memory, I feel like these are like, yeah, ouzo flavoured. There you go, I've had them before.
Ouzo.
Everyone loves ouzo. Ben especially loves ouzo. I've had them before. Thoughts?
That would taste much after the chocolate.
Give it a second. Then we've got
Kind of making me want to smash some plates.
a Lila Pause.
That is the ouzo flavour.
Yeah.
Is there a kebab flavour chocolate?
There is not. This is from it's Alpine milk chocolate with strawberry bubble pieces and crispy rice pieces inside. I'm going to keep this for the girls because they will love that. I'm not a massive fan of things with like strawberry chocolate like that, but they will love that. And then the last thing is the mini box. Again, this is something I'm not going to eat because I know I don't like it. It's a healthy traditional Greek snack made of tahini.
Hey, what?
Tahini halva. Would you like to try it?
What's a tahini?
Try it. You never had it, try it.
What is it?
Just try it.
What is it?
Freaking try it. Oh, and they've now got everything in here, which is really, really good. Has got the ingredients on it. So if you've got any allergies or anything, all the ingredients are pointed out, which I think is amazing. So it's literally, because obviously the ingredients on them aren't in the language that most people can speak or read. So that is super, super helpful. I love that. That was the Greek box. Open it, I want to see what you think. I need to edit that out. Say something what it actually is. So Ben is eating...
Very, very crumbly, like some sort of powdered...
He's just said something very inappropriate that will get me demonetised. So I've edited that out because he's a knob. What do you think? It's weird, isn't it?
Very weird.
Weird texture. But I think the first time I tried it, I was like, what is this? Because it looks like it's got
fibres.
fibres.
Uso sweet.
It looks like it's got fibres in it, doesn't it? It's a
like
really...
crumbly, but not. Like
crumbly,
kinetic
sticky.
sand.
Yeah, it's
bar.
like kinetic sand, but in a bar.
Like the other thing.
And then you need to try the chewing gum. I'm intrigued to see what you think of this. To see if I'm sure my reaction was far more dramatic than what Ben's will be. Thoughts?
Tastes amazing.
Oh.
Because I had the
Yeah, you've just eaten lots.
magic sand bar.
Yeah.
Kinetic sand bar.
So yeah, that was the box. Let me know what you think, if you're going to get it. If you want more videos with this fucking creeper in it, let me know. Literally, when this box arrived, he was like, do my fans want me? Didn't you? Oh, that stinks. I can smell it. So yeah, thanks for watching. I've got a giveaway running at the moment. Go and get the third cat so we can show everyone. Go get the cat. Go get the cat. I'm just gonna have a brief interlude while we get Tiny Cat to show you. And he's legged it. I say tiny cat, it's just he's a little bit poorly, so he's smaller than the others and he's younger than the others. Come here, Bubba. But this is Bandit. This is Bandit Cat, and he does not like people other than me. He just likes to sit on me, but he's gone. No, he wants to play. But yeah, that's Bandit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!